Before starting, make sure the legs of your table are locked and that the linen is even all around. The donut station can be done one of two ways, with a wall and without a wall. This video will show how to set up the station without a wall. Begin with deciding where you will have the plates and boxes, and put your element of height on that side. Take into consideration flow of traffic. Where will the guests be coming from and where will the line form? Here, we are assuming guests are coming from the left and will be using a black wooden chair for height. Place your other pieces of decor in the back opposite corner of where you decided to put the plates. For this, we have black wooden candlesticks and pillar candles. Putting them in the back corner as shown ensures they are not in the way of guests trying to reach for items on the table. Then, begin using the black metal risers, creating different levels of heights for the trays for the donuts and the bowls for the toppings. You want to have 2 different heights for the 2 trays as shown, and then varying heights for the 7 bowls for the 7 different toppings. Bowls can be square and wavy, as shown in the video, or round. Refer to the checklist for the correct type of bowl. Once you have the risers out, retrieve the trays and bowls and place them out on the risers. You can finalize your spacing that you will need for all of them. Make sure to have tongs for each of the trays and 1 spoon for each of the bowls. However you put out the trays and bowls, make sure everything is easily accessible to guests. This also means putting the higher levels in the back and the shorter levels in the front. Then, be sure to place napkins out at the end of the table. Next, you can begin putting out plates. For this video, we are using terracotta plates, but plates differ from party to party, so be sure to refer to the checklist to make sure you have the correct plates for the station. You can do a couple stacks of plates on the chair and then some on the table. Do as many stacks as needed to put out all the plates ordered for the station. Then, you will need to put out donut boxes. Fold them and create stacks as shown. For both the plates and boxes, make sure to have the taller stacks towards the back and the shorter stacks towards the front, as to prevent guests from knocking them over when reaching for one. Donut boxes can be folded one of 2 ways. 1, you can tuck in the flaps inside the slits as shown. Or 2, you can simply tap on the sides and they will insert themselves inside the slits as shown. Do whichever is easier and more productive for you. You will only need to fold about 1/3 of the guest count worth of boxes. So for example, if there are 100 guests, you only need about 30 to 40 boxes.